Hello traders, Mr. Golden is on the line. Today I will show you a trading strategy which will help you to make trading your full-time job. First, let's go to the TradingView chart. Let's open and select an asset. For example, it will be Euro and USD. What do we need to get started? To begin with, we need to open a 15-minute time frame and understand what market direction we have. As we can see, the market is moving in the short direction, which means that it is constantly updating the previous longs. This is clear. Now let's move to the 5-minute chart and see where the last liquidity swap took place. As we can see, at this point, the price was withdrawing liquidity from the buyer's side, meaning buy-side liquidity. Let's mark this. Once we have the buy-side liquidity withdrawal level, we need to open a 1-minute chart and find the breakdown of the structure on this graph. As we can see, the structural point was broken in this place. Let's designate it as a bias. After that, we need a pullback, meaning that we have broken the structure, which means that the trend is back to short. We went back to the test and tested fair value gap. Let's mark it. It is quite insignificant here, but still noticeable. That is, we can definitely move towards a short global structure into a short position on the Euro USD pair. Open the pocket option platform. Tough. Choose the Euro USD currency pair. Choose the execution time. For example, it will be 6 minutes. Let's select the transaction amount. I recommend entering from 3 to 5% per deal. I'm going to enter 3. We choose 3%. Let's open a short position. By the way, you can find all the signals I show in detail here on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. Go there and see for yourself. Let's switch to the TradingView chart and analyze this position in more detail. As you can see, once again, the graph is moving in the short direction. In other words, the next target, the global price target, will be this low in the form of sell-side liquidity. We also have a problem area in the form of the fair value gap, which can provide resistance to our short position. Let's mark it. Let's move to a 5-minute graph. As you can see, the price was draining liquidity on the 5-minute chart. On the long side, I don't expect any further movement in the long direction as the price has reached its target. So we can continue to move in the short direction. Let's move to the 1-minute chart. So here we are. Let's fix it. On the 1-minute chart, after removing the buy-side liquidity level, we formed a change in the market structure, namely BOS. This minimum is our structural point, which has once again updated the maximum, after which we got its breakdown and closed the candlestick body below this level. From now on, my position can be considered relevant. After that, the price showed a slight pullback to this fair value gap zone. Let's mark it. And once again, it got a short impulse. In other words, the first goal of my position will be to reach this level of fair value gap at 15 minutes and further shorting, perhaps even to this low in the form of AQ low. AQ low, a relatively low level of the minimum. As we can see, this minimum period and this minimum period. This minimum did not break this one, but it was very close to this point. Therefore, there is a large amount of liquidity on the buyer side. We will see how this position will work out. Let's go to the pocket option graph. I'm speeding up this video to see the final workout. Guys, I remind you that the most active of you will get the opportunity to join a live trading session with me personally. So don't hesitate to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below this video. As you can see, the position successfully closed in profit. After entering, we immediately received a strong shorting impulse. However, the price has not reached our target at the moment and has experienced a backlash. Luckily, an order block was formed that managed to hold the price, and our position closed in profit. Let's move on to the TradingView graph, where I will show this type of position once again. Let's delete this. Let me draw this type of position for you. That is, let's imagine that we have a short trend, where the price is constantly moving in the short direction. As you can see, the price is constantly updating the previous lows. It is coming back, updating the previous lows. Our goal is to wait for the moment when the price does the following. Here. Here. And now our entry point is already in the short direction. I will explain it here. As you can see, in this case, the price was constantly updating lows without updating highs. After that, we had this update of the high. For example, let's mark it in red to make it easier to see, where we collected liquidity on the buy side. After that, we can go short. Look for a variation of the entry, where we will have a change in the market structure for a minute. Pull back to the fair value gap, as in this example, and enter the position in the short direction. I hope this was clear to you. See you in the next lessons. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join Copy Trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.